Hello everyone, I am Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to explain about Global System for Mobile Communication Securities. GSM is a favorite mobile network. It is a digital mobile network which is commonly utilized by mobile phone users in various countries. The GSM, it is a most popular technology and it is a very famous network. It has three digital wireless telephony systems, which means TDMA, TDMA GSM and SDMA, CDMA and FDMA. Time division multiple access, frequency division multiple access, and these are all the various frequency divisions which can be applied in GSM. GSM, which converts and compasses the data before sending it along the channel with two other streams of users' data with its time, so that before that, GSM is a mobile communication network. GSM, which is an open and digital cellular telephony, which is used for mobile communication. It uses four different frequency bands. That means 850 megahertz, 900 megahertz, 1800 megahertz, and 1900 megahertz. It uses combination of FDMA and TDMA frequency ranges for data transmission. It has four different types of cells: macro level, micro level, pico level, and umbrella level. In macro level, the size of the cell, that is a base station antenna, is installed. Here in macro level, the antenna can be used to receive the signals and transmit those signals to nearest stations. In micro level, in size of the same antenna has been used also in micro level, but the antenna height is less than the average roof level. Pico level, it is the small cell diameter of few parameters. In umbrella level, it covers shadows that fills the gaps between cells and regions. By using this technique, the data transmission will be in uniform rate, and also the quality of the data transmission is very high. In GSM architecture, it uses various interfaces for transmitting a data. BTS, that is BSC, MSC. BSC is nothing but base station controller, and various registers can be used inside BSC and MSC. In MSC, which consists of various physical equipment such as radio transceiver, display, digital signal process, OSS, HLR, and VLR. Especially these entities helps to know about the status of receiver. That means whether the dial number is correct and whether that receiver is whether they can receive, or what is the status of the receiver. Likewise, those registration informations can be managed by HLR and VLR entities, as such as other services also provided, which includes voice tele services, data bearer services. These are all the additional services provided by GSM architecture. Also, it has if we are trying to communicate from landline to mobile communication, or mobile device to landline, whatever it is, PSTN is basic interface which helps to communicate from landline to mobile devices. PSTN is a public switched telephone network. The first signals will be transferred to landline, and then landline to the nearest PSTN network. Then these PSTN network will receive all the signals and finally transmit forward to those received signals into a various nearest GSM networks. That means GSM networks having a lot of entities. Those entities will find out the nearest destination of the receiver end. By using this application, we can easily transmit data between either landline to GSM, or that means a mobile network, or mobile network to GSM network. It can be happen with the help of global system mobile computing network architecture. Also various ms can be used. Ms is nothing but mobile stations, which is the transceiver side. That means the receiver end, they will use these ms devices to transmit the data and receive the signals. Like this manner the data can be transferred from base stations to the receiver end with the help of various interfaces. These interfaces can play a vital role in data transmission over GSM network. Thank you.